Welcome to Lifestyle Med with Dr. Jade. Health, it's a lifestyle. Hi guys, and welcome back to Lifestyle Med with Dr. Jade, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm so excited to do this 4-part clean eats in under 20 minutes series. And today in part 2 of our series, we're going to be cooking a blackened salmon kale salad. Let's go. And if you want to learn how to make this beautiful blackened salmon kale salad, stay tuned and make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell for more recipes. So first we heat up our pan to medium high, let it get nice and hot, and add in that tablespoon of olive oil. Next, we're gonna clean off our salmon and then coat each side with our Chef Paul Magic Redfish Blackening Seasoning. I'm gonna be putting this seasoning in the description box because this is the key to this flavorful blackened salmon. I also sometimes make a homemade blackening seasoning if I don't have this, but this is so much easier and gives me the perfect flavor every time. Now we add our seasoned salmon to our pan. Our pan is nice and hot, and we put that in, and we want both of our pieces of salmon to be kissing the pan or touching the pan, and you want them towards the center of the pan so it can get as hot as possible. After about 3 to 4 minutes, depending on how thick your salmon is, but I did 3 minutes with these thinner slices, then you will flip your salmon over and do 3 minutes on the next side. Now it's time to assemble our salad. Here we have our freshly diced red cabbage, our cucumber, red peppers, walnuts, apple, and our kale. And of course, I washed and diced each of these off of camera. Next, we add all of our toppings on top of our salads. And lastly, put that beautiful blackened salmon right on top, you guys. And that's it. Bon appetit. And add whatever salad dressing you like. We did a red wine vinaigrette. Enjoy. If you enjoyed the music on this channel, make sure to check out the description box for your own custom music by C Major Nation. And as always, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and God bless.